Studios now, I think 3 times, and still have not been on Slinky Dog. This time we're finally getting on Slinky Dog. We weren't able to get fast passes, so we're doing the standby line, 70-minute wait. It's not so bad. It's kind of nice seeing all the theming that goes on here with this. I guess everyone talks about the theming of this, but the whole area is themed really nice. Anyway, this is the first time that we'll be going on Slinky Dog Dash. We did go on the Slinky Dog, I forget what it was called in Paris, Disneyland. They have the, oh yeah, the Slinky Dog Spin, I think it's called. This is a far different ride. I'm going to insert the video of the Slinky Dog ride that is in Disneyland Paris here, and then I'm going to show you this ride right after that. You can see the difference between Hollywood Studios and Walt Disney World and Disneyland Paris.
On y va!
Merci de vous diriger vers la sortie la plus proche. J'espère vous revoir bientôt.
Walk safely to the nearest exit.
So, what do you think this is? I think it's gum. Or maybe blue tack? Any other ideas? In the comments, leave what you think that this is. I'm still sticking with gum. Because, you know, gum sticks.
You're safety. Remember to stay seated.
All right, we are on Slinky Dog, and here we go! Oh, that was nothing yet. Nice! Whoa! Whoa! Uh-oh. Now what? Turbo! No!